Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I did this natural look. It's like my natural everyday routine. I don't wear makeup every day, but if I was, this is what I would wear every day because it's so natural. Look exactly like my skin. Just look a little touched up, it look a little better. So you want to see how I got this look? Just keep on watch. So I already primed my face using the Smashbox. I use this one on my pimple right here. You can kind of see it, but it's okay. And I use that on my chin and this one right here. I'm breaking out. And then I use the pore minimizer one. This one right here because this is where my pores are. And I also use this mattifying one. All of them across my face. So I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa and use it as a all over face product. So like I'll go over the spots that really need the coverage, areas right here, and like I just draw it on my cheek. Take off my lip, just right here, because these areas I try not to use that much, but I don't want to use it enough. And then I just take a wet sponge and I blend it out. I don't want this video to be too long, but as you can see, this is my skin color. And for concealer, like for the brighten, I use my Colourpop. I'm sorry I keep on, that is so annoying, and I forgot to put some of that primer right here. Like some of the regular one. But I use my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Deep Dark 54. I just put a little bit right here, because I don't want to be too bright. Like, I put a little bit more in it, my nose. And like right underneath where I would contour. And just a little bit underneath my lip. And I'm putting some on my lips too. Now this concealer is like kind of reddish. So you had a red undertone. So we good for you. Since this is my natural makeup, I don't like to contour, like with a powder or cream contour, because naturally, I just want to be like, you know, like natural like skin. You use the concealer that you put underneath your eye to also put it on your eyelid. So for my eyelids, I like to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder, if I can find it. My Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 40. This elf brush, and I just take some up on the brush and I pat it. So now, using the same sponge, I'll blend out any creases. I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution banana powder. I put it in a different container, but yeah, this is how it looks. Let me get some. I'm gonna take this and set underneath my eyes, like, see this much, and then I tap it off in the back of my hand. And I start with the chin, because that gets oily pretty fast. And I move on to the forehead, in between my eyebrows. And then I go down the nose. And also for the chin, I don't like it being too bright, so I'm gonna go back in with another powder. Then underneath my eyes. For my under eyes, I don't want to go in with too much powder because I don't like it getting dry, like too dry. Like even this right here is a lot of powder for me. I mean, I used to bake, but not anymore. I gave up baking. It's too drying, and I don't like the way it looks. So to really get this in my skin, I'm gonna go back in with the brown powder from earlier. Tap that over top of that. And I'm gonna do my smile lines. I'm just gonna take some more, tap it off in the back of my head, and just set the rest of my skin with it. So for my eyes, what I like to do is very simple. You use any bronzer you like or whatever. I'm just gonna use the eyeshadow because I don't use bronzer. But I'm just gonna take my Colourpop Cute AF, aka the Yes Please palette. I know it's ratchet. I take this brown shade right here on like a brush like this. And put in my crease. I didn't wipe away any other brown color. I'm gonna take this brush and just use that. So I use that shade and put in my crease. I put it all over the lid. And you can put a shimmer on there, like a regular shimmer, like a skin tone shimmer, whatever. But instead I'm going to use this single eyeshadow from Ulta in the shade Penny. Let me swatch it for you. It has a little bit of sheen, but I placed it all over my eye. I put that all over my eye. I'll go back in with that brush, this brush, for the crease. Not any more product. Because you want to pop a little, if you wanted to pop a little bit more, you can add another brown shade on there. Even a highlighter. So I'm just going to take this highlighter from the Beach Cosmetics palette in the shade Frenchtoast. Just pop that a little bit in the center to give it a little bit dark. As you can see, it pop out more. And now I'll do wing eyeliner, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just stop the camera. I'm gonna do wing eyeliner. I'm gonna put on this mascara, this Essence Lash Princess mascara, Sculpted Volume mascara, the purple one. And the wing eyeliner I like to use is the Sila Stay All Day Waterproof eyeliner. But if you don't have this, a good, like, you can also use the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. That's one I like also for a drugstore brand. And for the lower lash line, just take a brush like this. So I just had pink on there. And I just take the same brown shade from earlier. And I just put that on the bottom of this one. So yeah, that's how I like to do my mascara. My bottom lashes are a little longer than I like them to be. But after I do that, after I do my eyes, see my eyes they look cute. I take my Neutrogena Skin Clearing Mineral Powder in the shade Chestnut 135 and this e.l.f. powder brush. It broke, but yeah. And I just like wipe away my set other places on my face. To like really bring back the color, because like the Maybelline Fit me loose powder is a little too red for my skin tone, but it works really well. So I just put down my chin because I don't like my chin to be too highlighted because it's very like it has a lot of breakouts. And now I'm gonna smear my face. I would usually use the MAC Face Plus, but it's barely anything in there, so I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. matte mist and set using my Maybelline Fit Me blush in berry. So this is how it looks. It has shimmer in there. Let me swatch it. There's a little bit of shimmer in there. So I look when I make my hand. If you don't like a shimmer blush, you can always use a matte blush. I like this one, so I'm just as a highlighter, like this is how I really like actually do my face if I'm just like hanging out with my friends or something. I would use the as you can see, this has been through a lot, but my e.l.f. Blush Gems highlighter. I'll swatch it for you. That's how it looks. It looks really good on my skin tone. But I also have this Colourpop Happy Camper highlighter. I'll swatch it next to it. So I'm just gonna mix those two together. So I'm just gonna mix this one. Whatever natural highlighter that you like to use, you can use it on yourself. These are the two that I like to use as natural highlighters. And always tap off the excess. Like the highlighters in my base cosmetics kit with palette with Itsmyrayeraye is too I'm sorry I keep saying but it's too blinding for a natural highlight. And like this highlight's a little blinding, but it's not as blinding as those. And for my inner corner eyebrow highlighter, I'm just gonna take Blush Gems on this brush. You can wet it if you want it. I'm not gonna wet it because it's a natural look. I don't want it to be too intense. Blush Gems is really glittery though. It looks a little like the shade of my lid. So for my brow bone, I'm just mixed up Happy Camper with it because I don't like getting it too icy. Wifey is gonna fight me. Also, I could do a playlist video if you guys want me to. Because I'm not going anywhere. Honestly, my face makeup looks really good. As you can see, it matches me really well. And so for lips, I'm really so upset because I lost my lip gloss in Atole. So I'm just gonna use my, you can put on a clear lip gloss, whatever. But me, I'm gonna wipe off concealer off my lips. And take my NYX Butter Gloss and Cranberry Biscotti. After that, I'm just going to take my finger and spread it out. For an everyday thing, I will wear a glossy lip because it's easy to take off and it's easy just like, it just looks more natural on the lips. But you can also use like CarMax or something. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Obviously, you don't have to use every product that I use. I just use whatever I see that works for my skin tone and works for my skin. So I really love the Girl Pro Concealer, and they have a lot of shades. Like the darkest shade is a shade I can use to contour, so that's something I really like. Also, my cat Jack has returned. I didn't tell you guys, but he ran away from home through the window. But he returned. It was like a week. He returned. I'm really happy. And the KCON is on the table. Like my tickets and everything, I already got them. But I just gotta do good for school, and then I could go see. I could go to the concert. And like, as I said, you can follow me down below on Instagram at Jonay, JONAAYY, and you can follow my beauty account at Glownay, GLOWNAYY. And bye. Thank you.